Hello YouTube, this is G4 Webhead coming from a cold, windy North Carolina. The wind out there is blowing pretty rough. Cold temperatures I don't really mind too much, it's just wind that gets you. But I got one TTM in today to finish out the week. So actor Donnie Most, he played Ralph on the Happy Days. He signed 3 of 3 for me. Signed 2, and he signed the Happy Days one. But, well, at least one's better than nothing. So I'm happy with it. And I know a lot of people saying they had a rough week this week, so here's hoping that next week's better. Hope everybody has a good, safe weekend and stay stout.